Okay, lovely people, we're back again with yet another exciting video DIY, do it yourself, home improvement, getting ready for the summer prepping. I mean, if this video comes across your feed, then maybe it is a sign that you've been looking forward to go ahead and put in that work and get ready for summer and give your backyard, give your front porches, back porches a facelift that it deserves. So this video is supposed to be giving you some kind of inspiration. So just go for it, and then let's just go into it and see what I was trying to achieve over there. So I was excited, as you could see me dancing over there. I just couldn't wait to see what I was going to be getting done. So you see how the backyard looks. I was just trying to apply mulch in all of the areas that has the bricks. So there is a brick layout over there. So I'm going to be applying the mulch in those sections. And well, it is going to give it a facelift, million bucks looking beautiful, and look through the doors, or I look out to my backyard, and I'm going to be enjoying the scenery the whole time. But then again, what it does for the soil is what matters. So it is going to be locking in moisture such that I don't have to do a lot of water application in the summer. And most importantly, the weeds that want to also come out and shine after summer is what I'm trying to work against. So they would also want to pop out and say, hey, I'm beautiful, look at me, and try to compete with all the beautiful plants that we have over there. So this process is supposed to stop the weed growth in its tracks, and also to preserve moisture in the soil, because then summer is coming, and we know that out here the weathers can be extreme. So winter is extreme, and then there comes summer also being quite extreme. So this is, even though I'm trying to give it a facelift, which at first it looks like I'm actually working against um moisture drying out of that soil so quickly and weeds growing aggressively. So this is me over there. I was able to use 12 bags to achieve the entire um, layout around the brick area. I could have actually used a little more, maybe two more bags to just complete it the way I wanted it. But of course, it still came out looking well, looking okay, and it will do the work that I expected to do the whole summer. So yes, if you're looking for some kind of inspiration, or you're putting this away, something you're supposed to be doing, and but you've put away for some time now, well, this video is just to give you inspiration and just to motivate you to go out there and get your summer prep process going. Okay, DIY you all, DIY. Let's go. And so, yes, I applied it bit by bit, and it's spreading along the fence, along the brick areas, and it came out really well. And the way I was expecting, or the way I anticipated. So, yes, go ahead and give your backyard the facelift it deserves. Go ahead and give your front porch the facelift it deserves. And don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share with someone else needing this kind of inspiration at this time of the year. And do well to come back over and over again to get more DIY inspos for your win, okay? We're up here to both win. So once you find this video useful, share, and you also get inspired. And I hope that you'd also create something spectacular with your own home improvement projects, or do something really nice in your own environment in preparation for the summer. So I can't wait for you all to see how look at that final finish. The blackness of the mulch just really giving it some kind of facelift over there. So mulch comes in like different colors. They have the red, they have ones that look like woody, And then, of course, the black just makes everything pop. So that's why I chose the black one at this time. And it will do the work. So thank you so much for engaging with me. Bye.